and welcome. This is Daisy from TechxMedia, and we have here with us Mr. Michael Penn, responsible for global distribution for BlendJet. Hello, sir. How are you today?
Very good. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you. Pleasure's all mine. So, sir, we've got BlendJet. Please tell us something about it.
Certainly, I'd love to talk about BlendJet, the company and the brand. We really invented the portable blender category. Company was started 5 years ago, 2018. And we have introduced two different models. So we started with the original BlendJet. We've progressed to the BlendJet 2, which is what you see here. We have about 41 patents on the product itself. Patented technologies which other people in the market do not have. Really, what's the beauty behind this product is it's completely portable. You can take it to the gym, you can take it to school, you can leave it out on the counter, no cords attached to it at all. What you do is you just use a USB-C cable to charge it, about an hour's charge. Will give you about 15 to 20-second cycles. So I'll show you a little bit about how it works. So you see the beautiful turbo technology inside using a 6-point 304 stainless steel blade, which that is a combination of chromium and nickel, which is completely food safe. So it's a hygienic blade that you have inside this product. We're also making beyond the solids that we started with. We have a tech center and lab in Petaluma, California. The company is based outside of San Francisco. In Petaluma, California, we're working on upgrades to the product and changes. We've introduced the color metallic. So it comes in a variety of colors. And we've also introduced patterns. So these are beautiful combinations of patterns. This happens to be called geode. And then we've also designed a new orbiter lid, which just spins to open so you can drink
on the go.
right from the top on the go. You got it.
So, sir, as you mentioned, what is the speciality of these of this blender? Can it blend nuts?
Good question.
Ice. What else?
Yes. I mean, my specialty is using frozen fruit. So I use a combination of frozen fruit, and you can put some kind of soy or almond milk inside to make a smoothie. We also have the ability to crush ice inside it with these blades. They may be small, but they're mighty, and they work very well in terms of crushing ice. It can crush different types of frozen fruit, as I said. We can make things like hummus. We can make sauces. We can make salad dressing inside here, and it does crush nuts as well.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. So, sir, what are the highlights of this year, since we are approaching your end?
The highlights for this year is we have wonderful distribution already in the United States. We've become a very social media centric company. We do a lot of advertising in the United States. We're starting to do marketing and fixturing within stores outside the United States. So we work throughout Latin America. We're beginning to sell in places throughout the Asia Pacific region. We have a very good business in places like Australia and New Zealand. We are also selling in Europe and the Middle East. And that's why I'm here, is to talk to the great retailers that are here in this region, encourage them to try new styles like metallic and the patterns as well, and bring in the different types of accessories we've now introduced for this product.
Perfect. So what about next year?
Next year, we'll be doing some minor modifications to this product to enhance it even more. So we also have new accessories, a new line of really vessels and jars that will be able to enhance these products. So we'll be introducing those into the market next year. Always continually coming up with innovative new products.
Looking forward.
Thank you very much.
So anything lastly, would you like to say something about Shift Show?
Oh yes, we have a great opportunity to be here, and we appreciate the hospitality of the Shift team. It's wonderful to be here, go to the retail. I've been out to several of the malls to look at the product on site in the stores, and Shift has put together a wonderful opportunity. It's a very private event, and you get some good one-on-one time with the retailers to talk about the product and let them know what we're doing to take this brand into the future for us to be successful together in partnership with the retailers.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.
It's wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.